Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and send follow requests on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go to your profile. If this feature isn't enough for you, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Account Center. Once you're in there, scroll down and look for your information and permissions, then tap on it and wait for the page to load. After that, tap on Export Your Information. Wait for the next page to appear. Scroll down and tap on Create Export. Select your Instagram profile and choose Export to Device. Now tap on Customize Information. Once it opens, clear all options first. Scroll down again and make sure everything is cleared. Here, you'll see a section called Connections. Make sure to check Contacts and then clear the rest if needed. If you'd like to download all your data, you can, but for this tutorial, we'll only select Followers and Following. Once done, tap on Save. Under Date Range, select All Time, then hit Save again. For the format, leave it as HTML, but you can choose JSON if you prefer. The media quality option doesn't matter much since we're only dealing with text files. Finally, tap on Start Export and wait. You'll see a message saying, "Your information is being prepared for export. We'll let you know when it's ready." Now, all you have to do is open your Gmail or whatever email is connected to your Instagram account. Once you receive the email from Instagram, open it and you'll find a list of your follow requests. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.